Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Teko Motlhabi from Roomsta Rentals. It's a digital platform that connects tenants and landlords in the township space, particularly in the backroom space. I'm a founder and I'm currently a CEO and operations of Roomsta. So I started the business to try well, the fundamental reason was to connect tenants and landlords in the space to help them find each other so that they can have a seamless and easy rental process. And secondly, to try and build this rental marketplace, particularly in the township space, that has a lot of potential so that we can see it reach its full potential. Please get a hold of us on www.roomsta.co.za. That's the handle of the platform. And you can also get us on WhatsApp and at 061 884 2420, and also on info@roomsta.co.za. Hi, I'm Teko Motlhabi from Roomsta Rentals, and I'm a township entrepreneur.